Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Alright, so the main concept behind this sound is just generating a more complex tone with very, I guess, minimal FM and filtering it. So it sounds like this when it's raw. And I just threw it into a low pass filter and put some delay on it. So operator 1 is just a sine wave. Operator 2 is just the first 3 harmonics of a square wave with the sine shaper set to whatever I liked. It's like past the third tick. And I have the volume at 2% because I found that when it comes to lead sound design, this is the way to go. This is just far too much. All these values over here is just no. I'm not even gonna play what it sounds like. It's gonna be a mess. And operator 2 is modulating operator 1. Operator 3 is just an absolute value sine wave, and I have the volume set to positive 10%. And operator 3 is modulating operator 1. And operator 4 is just a sine wave, and the volume is at positive 3%, and the ratio is at 4. And operator 4 is modulating operator 2. I found that when it comes to making leads in general, it's all about, I'm not saying all about, but I found that making small adjustments, subtle adjustments, at one at a time forms the lead before you know it. So let's go to filter 1. Filter 1 is literally just a low pass, vanilla low pass. I threw on high quality. It's on single mode. Feel free to mess with all the other modes and all the other filters. This is just what I liked. And I have the cutoff set to 73%. No resonance. And this is basically how you can come up with neat timbres for leads. For the effects, I have no chorus on. I just have the default delay settings on. That's it. It's nothing special, nothing complex, nothing crazy at all, honestly. I do have other sounds I wanted to show that they just do the same thing. More or less without the filtering. Yeah, like this one doesn't have filtering, it's just FM. And it sounds like this. I'll put on the effects. It's almost like too harsh, but I think it's totally fine. I do have some aliasing on. Or my bad, oversampling on to prevent aliasing. I'm sure if I mess with the intensities, Operator 2 is the main carrier. The main modulator. So for this one, I just have a sine wave, a square wave, or a pulse. Same old deal, the same old concept. I'm not going to go over it one by one. It's just have your modulator have some sort of interesting harmonic content, and then maybe have another modulator modulate the same carrier, and just make sure that your intensities are extremely low so that you can actually play with it. And then I just have 4 on 2 for more tonal options. And then for this one, okay, similar thing as the first one. Sine wave, first 3 harmonics of a square. Jeez, I cannot talk today. Nothing here. Yeah, this is just a general flow. a mostly square wave coming from a saw wave. Yeah. A similar thing, but it's more on the saw side. And then 2 is on 1, 4 is on 1, 5 is on 4. And I know I did something here. Yeah, where I routed the intensity of 4 to 1 to mod X so that I can do this. The list goes on and on. I'm actually, let's just make another one. Let's just do that. Just to really sell it. Oops. I'm just going to turn on the delay already. Copy the melody. Alright. So, and you don't have to start from sound. You can do whatever you want. It's kind of overwhelming the amount of options you have in Sytrus. But I'm just going to... Alright. Chorus is on. I'm going to turn the intensity down first because it really is kind of ear piercing to yeah. It can help, but I know that this works for me. Whoops, another important thing, put on portamento. I like to put the slide on like around here, more or less. But yeah, let's just go for something. And right here, I'm just going to super modulate the saw wave. I feel it's a little bit harsh, so I'm going to throw it into a filter. I'm actually going to distort it and route it into another filter so that we just have a better tone. Or not better, stronger tone. I can throw on some unison, give it the supersaw treatment. The list goes on and on. That's really all I did. Just some basic FM, basic shapes, a little bit of filtering if I see fit. That's it. Have fun, mess with all the shapes and sounds you like, and enjoy yourself. And again, don't forget the portamento. You have to try monophonic, and yeah, just go from there. Those are the sounds. That's the concept. If you have any questions, I will answer them. Let me know, and have an awesome day.